Number 3, they give you a piecewise function for fx and then they ask you to sketch the graph. So we have 3 intervals here for x less than or equal to -1, in between -1 to 4 and more than 4. So for the first part, for x less than -1, so this area, so our graph will be the constant function. So it's -3. So -3 is here. So dense dot at -3, -1, -1, -3, and then it's a straight line, a constant function. Okay. And then the next one, -3. Is from -1 to 4, its function a linear function. So what you need to do, just take the value of x at -1 and 4. So let's say if x -1, -2 will be -1 minus 2 is -3. So it will be here. And then for x equal to 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is 2. And then this is empty dot, this is empty dot. So straight line to the 4. Okay. So it will intercept at when x equal to 0, y equal to -2. And this one when y equal to 0, x equal to 2. So this is the second graph. And then the third graph for x more than 4 is a quadratic. So it's a negative x squared here. So we have negative. So if we rewrite, it will be negative of x minus 4 all squared plus 2. So it's a set function. And then what is the maximum point? If it's a set function, we have the maximum point at 4, 2. Right? So 4, 2 will be the maximum point. So this is the start. Sorry. So it will start at 4, 2. So this is the maximum point, and then the graph is going down. So what is the intercept here? So when y equal to 0, so we can find the value of x here, the intercept. So this is our graph. Okay, so this is for the question A1. And then the next one, state the domain and range for f. Okay, so this graph is going down to the negative infinity. Continue up to infinity for the x, so the y will be to negative infinity. Okay, so now we want to state the domain and range. So our domain is include from negative infinity to infinity. So the df is from negative infinity to infinity. What about the range? So if we look at our graph, the smallest value is, this graph is continue to negative infinity, right, for the value of y. So it will start from negative infinity. How about the maximum value of the y? So if we can see that the highest value of y plotted in the graph is 2 here, the maximum point of the graph. So it will up to 2 only, inclusively. So this is our range for the function fx. And then the last one, the question also determine whether f is a one-to-one function or not. So how to check whether it is a one-to-one function? So if we have the graph already, we just need to do the horizontal line test. So we look at the x-axis. So does it intersect at 2 points? So where is your pembaris ruler? So we try to look at this. Sketch the line. So if I do the line here, so it will intercept at 2 points here and here. So does it a one-to-one function? Not one-to-one function. State the reason. Give the reason of your answer. Why? Why? Because it's intersect at 2 points. Intersect at 2 points when we do we use the horizontal line test. So it's not a one-to-one function.